Number 1. The 1962 Plymouth Valiant, priced at $9,000, located in Mount Hermon, Los Angeles. This car has undergone numerous repairs and modifications over the years. The Slant 6 engine has received significant upgrades from Vanderlei Racing in Gulfport, Mississippi, resulting in more power than usual. The push-button transmission is still intact, reflecting the uniqueness of that era. The interior is in good condition, featuring a brown and cream color combination that provides a classic and comfortable look. The exterior is also in decent shape, though the lower rocker panel has some damage that requires repair. This car was previously used in rally road course racing, demonstrating its strong performance. Overall, it is a fast, fun, and fairly reliable classic car, perfect for collectors or vintage car enthusiasts looking for a vehicle with unique character. Number 2. The 1975 Ford Grand Torino, priced at $7,900, located in Claremont, Florida. The car is in decent condition. The exterior has been repainted to prevent rust, but it is still considered a 20-footer, meaning it looks good from a distance, but has flaws upon closer inspection. The 351 Windsor engine has been rebuilt with various performance components from Edelbrock, including cylinder heads, intake, camshaft, lifters, and timing chain. The transmission is AC4, which has also been rebuilt and comes with a warranty. The electrical system has been updated with a new alternator and starter, along with a new water pump and power steering pump. The rear suspension features new air shocks, and a professionally installed performance exhaust gives the car an impressive sound. It rides on 17-inch wheels with tires more suited for burnouts than daily driving, so they should be replaced if used regularly. The interior remains original, showing some signs of age, particularly in the headliner and rear seats. Additional parts, including 2 front fenders and a factory Ford manual, are included. The car is being sold because the owner wants to focus on her child's 1971 limited edition project. Number 3. The 1970 Buick Skylark, priced at $10,000, located in Planada, California. This is a running project car that requires aesthetic improvements. Mechanically, it runs well and is powered by a Buick 350 V8 engine that has been upgraded with a new camshaft and lifters. The transmission works without issues. The exterior is rough with primer paint and some unfinished sections, but the body appears solid. Black aftermarket wheels give the car an aggressive look. The interior is relatively well maintained, with black seats that have no rips and a dashboard in decent condition. The car has a salvage title, meaning it has been involved in a major insurance claim or incident in the past. However, with some effort in repainting and minor fixes, this could become a striking classic muscle car. Number 4. The 1972 Cadillac Coupe de Ville, priced at $7,500, located in Minden, Nevada. It has 77,000 miles and still runs well. The engine is in fair condition, with a newly installed large aluminum radiator, and the car has good white wall tires. The transmission was recently serviced, and the fuel hoses have been replaced. However, there is a leak in the power steering system, and the air conditioning does not work. The interior is in decent shape, but the rear window needs a new roller. The paint is starting to peel in some areas, especially on the trunk, which is scratches and surface damage. The trunk also shows signs of rust and requires repair. This car still has some original dealer documents from when it was first purchased at Hubacher Cadillac in Sacramento. It comes with a clean Nevada title under the current owner. The owner is open to trades for another classic car, a Chrysler 300, a newer Challenger, a dirt bike, or a VW Type 3. Number 5. The 1957 Ford Fairlane 500, priced at $9,500, located in Escondido, California. This car has an aggressive rat rod look, thanks to its black primer paint and a lowered stance compared to the factory height. It runs well, powered by the original 352 V8 engine with an automatic transmission. While many parts have been updated, including a new starter, alternator, regulator, and a full tune-up with new spark plugs and wires, there are still some minor issues, such as a loose driver's door handle. The interior is in great condition, featuring red seats that remain comfortable despite minor wear. All electrical systems work properly, and the body is rust-free. The Cellar also has all the original stainless trim, which can be installed or sold separately. Overall, this is an almost complete project that can be driven as is or further modified, such as adding the previously planned air suspension. This car is sure to turn heads and is rarely seen in this style. Number 6. The 1981 Cadillac Brougham Sedan 4DM, priced at $10,000, located in Clarksville, Tennessee. This car retains about 90% of its original blue paint. It is powered by a 7.0 425 V8 engine with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, RWD, and has 75,000 original miles. As the second owner, you have made numerous repairs and replacements, including spark plugs, wires, distributor belts, radiator hoses, alternator, battery, and a new AC system, compressor, hoses, and dryer. The braking system has been updated with new brakes on all 4 wheels, a new master cylinder, brake booster, and brake hoses. The suspension has also been refreshed with new shocks, idler arm, tie rods, and a new pitman arm. The interior maintains its classic look, featuring gray velour seats, with paneling on the dashboard, and even includes the original spare tire, sales brochure, owner's manual, and factory CB radio. While there are some minor imperfections on the body and interior, this car remains a well-preserved and authentic classic with a great history. Number 7. The 1976 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $7,500, located in Richmond, Virginia. This car is a true muscle car, featuring a 396 V8 engine with a 4-speed manual transmission. The exterior is painted in a sleek, glossy black with white racing stripes, adding to its aggressive appearance. The body is in excellent shape with no noticeable rust, while the chrome accents, including bumpers and grille, shine brightly. Inside, the Chevelle retains its original bench seats, which are in great condition despite minor wear. The dashboard has been refurbished, and the car is equipped with a modern sound system that still preserves the classic feel. Under the hood, the 396 engine has been fully rebuilt and is in excellent running condition, while the 4-speed manual transmission offers a smooth driving experience. The car is also equipped with upgraded suspension and braking components, making it both a reliable cruiser and a powerful performer. With its mix of classic style and modern upgrades, this Chevelle is an ideal choice for any car enthusiast looking for a muscle car that delivers both in performance and aesthetics. Number 8. The 1978 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible 2D, priced at $8,500, located in Dallas, Texas. This iconic muscle car is powered by a 440 Magnum V8 engine, coupled with a 4-speed manual transmission and a 3.55 rear end, making it a formidable machine on the road. The exterior is finished in a striking Hemi-orange paint job, which is complemented by black racing stripes that add to the car's aggressive look. The interior features black vinyl seats with a standard dashboard setup, all in excellent condition for its age. The car has been restored to a high standard, including a complete rebuild of the engine, transmission, and suspension system. The Charger also comes equipped with modern amenities like air conditioning, a high-performance exhaust system, and upgraded brakes. While it maintains its vintage look and feel, this Charger offers a performance and reliability expected from a more modern vehicle. If you're looking for a classic muscle car that can perform on both the street and track, this Charger is a perfect choice. Number 9. The 1961 Ford Falcon, priced at $5,000, located in Phoenix, Arizona. This classic American car is known for its elegant styling and timeless appeal. It is powered by a 283 V8 engine and features an automatic transmission, making it a smooth ride for both city cruising and highway driving. The exterior is finished in a beautiful two-tone paint scheme, with a combination of coral and white that has been meticulously restored to its original luster. The chrome trim and bumpers are also in excellent condition, adding to the car's classic charm. Inside, the Bel Air retains its original upholstery, which has been carefully restored to its original state. The dashboard is equipped with the original radio and clock, while the seats provide a comfortable experience for both driver and passengers. The engine runs smoothly, and the car has been fully serviced to ensure optimal performance. Whether you're a collector or simply someone who appreciates vintage American cars, the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air remains a standout example of classic automotive design. Number 10. The 1968 Plymouth Fury 3 4-door, priced at $5,000, located in Chicago, Illinois. This classic muscle car is a true enthusiast dream, with a 350 V8 engine that has been fully rebuilt and paired with Muncie M21 4-speed manual transmission. The car's exterior is finished in a stunning Hugger orange paint with white racing stripes, a color scheme that perfectly matches the car's aggressive performance. Inside, the Camaro features black vinyl seats and a factory-style dashboard, all of which have been restored to maintain the car's original look. Under the hood, the Z28 engine has been upgraded with a Holley carburetor, a high-performance camshaft, and a stainless steel exhaust system. The car's suspension and brakes have also been upgraded to provide better handling and stopping power. Additionally, the Z28 comes equipped with power steering, power brakes, and a modern audio system to make a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. With its combination of power, style, and history, the 1970 Camaro Z28 is a must-have for any serious muscle car collector. Number 11. The 1972 Ford Ranchero Squire, priced at $9,500, located in Denver, Colorado. This limited edition muscle car features a 428 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, making it a true high-performance machine. The exterior is finished in a classic Brittany blue with white racing stripes, and the body has been carefully restored to maintain its original look and feel. The interior features black leather seats, a factory-style dashboard, and a wood-rimmed steering wheel, all of which are in excellent condition. The Shelby GT500 also comes equipped with power steering, power brakes, and a rear window louver, giving it a truly iconic appearance. Under the hood, the 428 V8 engine has been fully rebuilt and is capable of producing impressive horsepower. This car is not only a collector's item, but also a thrilling ride for those who appreciate the raw power and history behind the Shelby name. For anyone looking to add a rare and iconic muscle car to their collection, the 1967 Shelby GT500 is a prime candidate. Number 12. The 1970 Chevrolet Nova, priced at $7,500, located in Miami, Florida. This muscle car is powered by a 440 V8 engine, paired with a TorqueFlite automatic transmission, providing a thrilling driving experience. The exterior is finished in a bold and vibrant plum crazy purple, which is one of the most sought-after colors for the Barracuda. The body is in excellent condition with no visible rust, and the chrome accents shine brightly, adding to the car's aggressive look. Inside, the Barracuda features black vinyl bucket seats and a classic dashboard, which have been restored to their original condition. The engine has been fully rebuilt and is in perfect running condition, offering plenty of power for both city driving and open road cruising. The car also features modern upgrades, including a performance exhaust system, upgraded suspension, and a high-performance cooling system to ensure that it runs smoothly. Whether you're a collector or someone looking for a rare, high-performance muscle car, this 1972 Plymouth Barracuda is an excellent choice. Number 13. The 1979 Ford F-150 Heritage regular cab XL pickup 2D8 feet, priced at $7,500, located in Minneapolis, Minnesota. This GTO is powered by a 389 V8 engine, which is paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. The car has been meticulously restored to maintain its original factory appearance, and the exterior is painted in a beautiful Tyrol blue color that complements the chrome bumpers and trim. The interior features a luxurious black vinyl interior, complete with bucket seats and a wood-grain dashboard, which add to the car's vintage appeal. The GTO also comes equipped with a factory radio, power steering, and a center console, all of which contribute to a comfortable and nostalgic driving experience. Under the hood, the 389 V8 engine has been rebuilt, and the car runs smoothly with plenty of power to spare. The suspension and braking systems have been updated, ensuring that the car handles well and stops efficiently. For any collector or vintage car enthusiast, the 1964 Pontiac GTO represents a key moment in American muscle car history and would be a fantastic addition to any collection. Number 14. The 1934 four-door, priced at $7,900, located in Salt Lake City, Utah. This iconic muscle car is powered by a 351 Cleveland V8 engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, and features a performance-oriented suspension system. The exterior is painted in a striking red with black racing stripes, while the interior features black vinyl seats with white accent stitching and a factory-style dashboard. The car has been fully restored to its original specifications, with the engine and transmission both rebuilt for optimal performance. The car also has an upgraded exhaust system that gives it a deep, throaty sound, adding to its muscle car appeal. The suspension and braking systems have been upgraded for improved handling and stopping power, making this Mach 1 a pleasure to drive on both the street and track. With its combination of classic styling, modern upgrades, and powerful performance, the 1969 Mustang Mach 1 remains one of the most desirable muscle cars on the market today. Number 15. The 1958 Edsel Corsair 2-door hardtop, priced at $750, located in Louisville, Kentucky. This classic American sports car is powered by a 265 V8 engine paired with a Powerglide automatic transmission, delivering a smooth yet powerful driving experience. The exterior is finished in a classic two-tone combination of polo white and sportsman red, giving it a vintage yet stylish look. The car's chrome bumpers and trim are in excellent condition, and the body is straight with no visible rust. Inside, the Corvette features a red and white leather interior, with bucket seats and a dashboard that has been completely restored to factory specifications. The engine has been rebuilt, and the car runs flawlessly, providing plenty of power on the open road. The suspension has been upgraded with new shocks and springs, ensuring a comfortable ride, while the braking system has also been refreshed for better performance. With its timeless styling and exceptional performance, the 1956 Chevrolet Corvette is a true collector's item and will be a standout addition to any classic car collection.